So next is eigenvalues and eigenvectors of 3 by 3 matrices. So today we will discuss 3 by 3 matrices. So, first of all, let A be a 3 by 3 matrix. Now we want to find out the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of 3 by 3 matrix. So for a 2 by 2, let us recall 2 by 2 matrix. For a 2 by 2 matrix, what is characteristic equation? Oh, what is characteristic equation? A minus lambda I is equal to 0, right? And what is the shortcut for finding characteristic method of equation of a 2 by 2 matrix? Tell me.
Lambda square minus A into beta plus determinant.
Determinant of a is equal to 0. Now similarly, we can find a shortcut method. We have a shortcut method for finding characteristic equation of 3 by 3 matrix. So this is the shortcut method, and I will tell you what is that. So that is lambda cube minus sum of the diagonal elements. So what is sum of the diagonal element? This is simply trace of it. Right? So lambda cube minus trace of a lambda square plus sum of minus of main diagonal elements. So the third term is sum of minus of main diagonal elements into lambda minus determinant of A is equal to 0. So have you got it? What do you mean by sum of diagonal elements of? So if you have a 3 by 3 matrix, so A, B, C, E, D, F, H, I, J. Okay. So this is an 3 by 3 matrix example. So what is the sum of first diagonal element, minor of first diagonal element A? Minor of A is determinant of
DFIJ.
okay, DF I J, right? This is a minor of A, right? And minor of D of what is minor of D? Second diagonal element
Determinant of ACHJ.
A C A C H J. That means we are removing, we are striking out the row and column of that element. So this column and this row. Then you will get, and we will take the determinant of this. And what is minor of J? Determinant of D, determinant of A, B, E, D, right? So that is one. And you know how to find out determinant of A also, right? So now we will do a problem. Write down this problem. Find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of A equal to minus 2, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 6, 1, minus 2, 0. Write down that problem. Have you written that problem? Okay. So solution. First we will find out characteristic equation. So by shortcut method, what is characteristic equation? Char equation is lambda cube minus what is trace of A lambda square plus minus of diagonal elements lambda minus determinant of A is equal to 0. So tell me what is trace of A. So therefore care equation is lambda cube minus, tell me what is trace,
minus 1.
minus
Minus 1.
1 lambda square plus, no, okay. So for what is first minor of first diagonal element, determinant of
1 minus 6 minus 2 0.
6 minus 2 0 plus, now what is the second minor of second diagonal element, minus 2
minus 3 minus 1
minus 1 0 plus third, what is determinant of third, what is third minor of 0, minus 2 2 2
2 1
lambda minus, what is determinant of A? So calculate determinant of this matrix. So if you have a calculator, you can easily find a determinant of a matrix if you are using scientific calculator. Okay, you can take scientific calculator in exam hall, but those calculator you cannot store anything. You can, അതായത് നമ്മൾ പ്രോഗ്രാമിംഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് you cannot use. Okay, only those scientific calculator we cannot store data. Okay, so what is determinant of A? Anybody got determinant of A?
45
45.
45
45. So this is 45. Determinant of A is 45. Okay. So which implies lambda cube minus plus lambda square plus, okay. Now what is this determinant? 0 minus 8 plus, what is this determinant? Anybody? What is this
സാർ അത്
determinant?
-12 അല്ലേ?
Sorry, minus 12. Minus 2. Minus 12.
+12 അല്ല 1 into
1 into 0
-2
minus 2 into
minus
minus. So minus 12. Sorry. I made a mistake.
-12
Okay, next one.
-3
Minus 3. Next one.
-5
minus
plus minus
Minus
plus
2.
minus
Minus 6.
-5
minus 6
6 LX.
-6
Minus
oh
6.
6
21
Lambda minus 45 is equal to 0. So what is our characteristic equation? Lambda cube plus lambda square. And if you add this, what you will get? Minus 12 minus 50 minus 3 minus 6 minus
-21
lambda minus 45. So this is our characteristic equation. Then what are the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues are roots of this characteristic equation. So eigenvalues are, so how to find out the roots? You can use calculator, right? Anybody know how to find roots of a equation or solve equation by using calculator?
No, sir.
Okay. If you don't know about it, then you just mm, Google it, or you can in YouTube. There are many tutorials. You just type your calculator model number, and then you type how to find the roots of polynomial or solve equation using this calculator. Otherwise, I will give you some video tutorial. Okay. So now you find out what are the roots. So otherwise, you can use from Google. There are also some few calculate cubic equation solver. So, but in examination hall, you cannot use internet access. So, you can use calculators in exam. I'm just writing this. So, tell me what are the coefficient. This we will calculate here. So, coefficient, first coefficient is 1, 1, and here third
Minus
coefficient
21.
minus
Minus
21,
21.
and fourth coefficient is minus.
Minus 45.
So if you calculate this, you will get the answer as roots are 5 minus 3 minus 3. So what are the eigenvalues? 5 minus 3 minus. Okay, have you got it? So you can use calculator. So if you have any scientific calculator, you just go through YouTube and check how to find out the roots of a polynomial using this calculator. Okay, so now we want to find out eigenvector corresponding to, first we will find eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 5. So what is eigenvector? Eigenvector is the solution of the equation a minus 5i into x is equal to 0, right? So a non-zero is such that a minus 5i is equal to 0. So what is a? Tell me what is a matrix? Our a matrix is
Minus
2, 2 minus 3, right?
1, 6.
2, 1
Minus
minus 6 and
minus
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 1
0.
minus 2, 0. And we know that what is 5i?
500
5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0,
05.
0, 0, 5, 0, 0. Now, now what is x? This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, x is x1, x2, x3. Or you can written as x, y, z. So this is a 3 by 3. Now we will find. So a minus 5i into x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. So what is a minus 5i? A minus 5i.
Minus 7, 2. Minus 7, 2, minus 3.
Minus 7, 2, minus 3, 2, minus
2
4,
minus 4
minus 6,
minus
minus 1, minus 2.
2 minus 4 minus 6, right? And
minus
last
1 minus 2 minus 5. Minus
into x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now how to solve this? First you find right augmented matrix, right? augmented matrix A minus 5y. This will. So what is augmented matrix? Minus 7, 2, minus 3, 0. Tell me second row.
2
2,
minus 4
minus
minus
4,
6
minus 6,
0
0, minus 1,
minus 1
minus
minus
2,
2
minus 5,
minus 5
0.
0.
Now here there is 1, right? So if you get pivot as 1, then calculation will be simpler. Okay. So what I will do is I will interchange row. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. I'm interchanging row 1 and row 3. So it's not necessary, but if you do that, you can what we will get, we can simplify things. Okay. So I'm interchanging r1 and r3. So what you will get, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 2, minus
2
4,
minus 4
minus
minus 6
6, 0,
0
minus
minus
7,
7
minus
2
sorry, 2, minus 3.
minus 3 0.
Okay, now what is my pivot? First pivot, minus 1, right? So I will write this minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. And what will be the row operation? R2 changes to R2 plus 2R1,
2 R1
right? So this is 0. What will happen here? Minus 4, minus 4, minus 8, right? Minus 4, minus 8. What is next element?
minus 16
Minus 16. This is 0. And what is third row operation? What is row operation here?
R3 minus 7 minus 7
Ah, so this becomes 0. What is next element? 16, right?
16
And
16
here 30,
32
32 is equal to 0.
32.
Okay. Now, okay, now what is the next pivot? Minus 8, right?
minus 8
So I will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 8, minus 16, 0. Now what is the row operation? I want to make this 0. R3, R3 minus or plus? R3 plus
Plus
plus 2
R3 plus
2R2, right? So what will become 0, 0, and this becomes 0. Okay, have we got it? So now from here we will get an equation 0x1 minus 8x2 minus 16x3 is equal to 0. So how many free variables are there? That means
1
1, right? 1. So minus 8x2 minus 16x3 is equal to 0. Now I am put x2 is equal to, or I am putting x3 is equal to a. Okay. Any variable is equal to a. Then what I will get, minus 8x2 is equal to 16a. Then what is x2? x2 is equal to 2,
Minus
2a.
minus
minus
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Now we will take this. I want to know what is the value of x1. So what is this equation? Minus x1 minus 2 x2 minus 5 x3 is equal to 0. So minus x1 minus, what is x2? Minus 2
minus 2.
into minus 2a minus 5 x3 is a. So minus x1 is, this is my plus 4a minus 5a. So minus is equal to 0. So minus x1 minus a is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to minus. So we get infinitely many solution, right? That means x is of the form minus a minus 2a a. So then we want a particular vector, right? So eigenvector is there corresponding to lambda is equal to 5 is, I will give some value. You can give any value for it. So tell me any arbitrary value. So eigenvector is, what value you can give?
-2, -4.
So a equal to a ക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു value 2.
2.
Oh, okay, if a equal to 2, then you will get minus 2 minus 4
2.
2. So this is an eigenvector. If you give a equal to 1, then you will get another eigenvector. So you just give any value for a other than 0, right? If it is 0, then you will get x equal to 0 0 0. But this is not an eigenvector, right? Now you find out the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 3. Eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to minus 3. Okay, find out. So that is a plus 3i into x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0 0 0. So tell me what is a plus 3i? Anybody? A plus 3i.
1, 2, minus 3,
1 2 minus 3,
2, 4,
2
minus
4,
6,
2 4 minus 6,
minus
minus
1, minus 2,
1
minus
minus 2 3, right?
3.
Therefore, so now what is, we will write the augmented matrix. So we can write 1 2 minus 3, 2 4 minus 6, minus 1 minus 2 3, x1 x2 x3 is equal to 0 0 0. Now you write down the augmented matrix. and find row echelon form. A plus 3a equal to 1, 2 minus 3, 0, 2, 4 minus 6, 0, minus 1 minus 2, 3, 0. Okay, tell me, you find out row echelon form and tell me the answer. You do it first. First, you convert this into first. So first, you convert this into two. First, you convert this into 0, then this into 0, then the other thing. Anybody do it first. Okay, do it first. Anybody got?
0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0,
Everything
0.
becomes 0, right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Have you got like this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. Now, what is the only equation left? X1 is right. X1 plus 2x2 minus
Minus
3x3
3.
is equal to 0, right? Now, how many free variables are there?
2.
2. Number of free variables are 2. So, how many unknowns? How many linearly independent eigenvector we can find? 2. So, first I will put x1 is equal to a and x2 is equal to b. So, then what will be the equation? X1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0. X1 I put a plus 2b minus 3x3 is equal to 0. So, what is x3? Tell me what is x3? A
A
plus
plus 2b
divided by
whole
3
divided by
by 3, right? So, what is the solution vector? X1 is a, x2 is b, a plus 2b by 3. Now here there are two free variables. Then how many linearly independent eigenvectors we can find? X1, 2, right? So what are the values we can give? You just put a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. Then you will get one eigenvector. And second one, what value you will give? A equal to 1, b equal to 0.
b
Then
equal
you
to
will get easily two linearly independent eigenvectors. So this is a equal to 0, then 0, 1, b is 1, 2 by 3. And what is other eigenvector? You put a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. So what is the eigenvector? 1
1, 0, 1 by 3.
by 3. So we will get three linearly independent eigenvectors. Here 1 and 2, two linearly independent eigenvectors for lambda equal to 3 and minus 3, and again there is one more eigenvector for lambda is equal to 5. So we get 3 total 3 linearly independent eigenvectors for matrix A. Any doubt? Any doubt?